Welcome to Byte Further. In this video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max that keeps restarting itself every 2 or 3 minutes or over and over randomly. First of all, what happens when you have iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max restart problem? 1. Your device keeps restarting on its own randomly every few minutes. Let's say you're watching a video and then it suddenly turns off without even pressing the lock button. After shutting down, it auto-restarts, shows the Apple logo, and boots up to the home screen on its own. Your iPhone XS Max repeats the process to keep restarting every 3 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, or even a day. That means it allows you to use it for 3 minutes but then instantly restarts. 2. Your device keeps rebooting itself again and again. You see it keeps turning on and off, restarting the Apple logo over and over again and being stuck in infinite boot loops. Due to the constant and automatic restart problem, it's unusable and you can't even enter your device to reply to messages or receive coming calls. Second, why does your iPhone XS Max keep restarting by itself? 1. Malware or virus attack. It can lead to unexpected restarts problem like your iPhone XS Max keeps on restarting loop every time you lock it and it shuts off and auto-restarts over and over randomly upon pressing the side button. 2. Faulty apps. A system error inflicted by malicious software from a downloaded file or application is also the culprit of a random auto-restart. 3. Corrupted software updates. Maybe your iPhone XS Max begin to keep restarting every 2 to 3 minutes after installing the latest iOS 16 update. This could also be if you do a restore. 4. The SIM card not working. If you see your device randomly restarts on and off when it's idle, a SIM card is a potential cause. 5. Charging problems. Your iPhone XS Max is auto-restarting while charging after you plug it into the power. It keeps restarting until the charger is disconnected. 6. Hardware issues. If your phone keeps freezing and restarting on its own almost 8 to 10 times a day after dropping water, screen replacement, battery replacement, and so on, the hardware component is not working well as it should. Third, how to fix an iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max that keeps restarting itself. You're not alone if your device randomly keeps rebooting with the Apple logo coming on and off. There are a few steps you can try to stop it and turn on the phone. If you get random reboot problems due to hardware issues, you should turn to the Apple Repair Center near you and ask the professionals there for help. If your iPhone XS Max is restarting itself continuously because of software-related problems like crashed system, faulty apps, or failed updates, try the solutions in the following. Keep watching and you'll learn how to get your iPhone XS Max to stop rebooting loop. Method 1. Force restart iPhone XS Max. When your iPhone XS Max keeps restarting every minute and freezes, the very first step is to force restart the device. Here's what you need to do. Press the volume up button then release. Press the volume down button then release. Press the side button and hold for around 10 to 20 seconds. You should see your device stop restarting and shut down with the screen turning black. Keep holding the side button until you see the Apple logo again. There is it. Let go of the button and let your phone reboot. Now, the iPhone XS Max restart problem should be fixed and your phone should be up and running. Method 2. Take out the SIM card. If your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max is still restarting and keeps turning on and off itself over and over again, take out the SIM card. Prepare a SIM card eject tool, a small paper clip, or something like that. Gently insert the tool and press it into the pinhole of the SIM tray. Pull the SIM tray out, take away the SIM card, and then reinsert the tray. Now, force restart your iPhone XS Max. Press the volume up, volume down, and hold down the side button until the Apple logo boots up. Now, check if your iPhone XS stops rebooting over and over randomly. Method 3. Check the charging cable. If your iPhone XS Max keeps restarting when charging, check out the charging components. Make sure to use a known good lightning cable and charger. Also, clean the charging port of your phone with a soft and dried brush. Now, connect your phone to a stable wall power outlet and let it charge for at least 3 hours. Then, force restart your phone with the volume up, volume down and power buttons. After a while, your phone should stop restarting and turn back on normally. Method 4. Update iOS software. If the iPhone XS restart problem persists, it could be a deeper system issue. No worries. It often can be resolved by a system update or a factory reset. Let's start with installing the latest iOS on your randomly restarting iPhone XS Max. Here's what you need to do. Use an Apple-certified USB cable to connect your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max to a computer. Then, open iTunes or Finder. Now, put your phone into recovery mode. This helps iTunes or Finder to detect and update your iPhone XS Max even when it's continuously restarting on and off itself. Here are the steps. Quickly press then release volume up button, volume down button, and then press the side button and hold it for a while. Your iPhone XS Max should stop restarting over and shut down. Then, the Apple logo will show up again. Still, hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see a screen showing a cable pointing to a computer. Okay, there is it. Let go of the side button and you're now in recovery mode. Let's go back to the computer. In iTunes or Finder window, you'll see a message pop up. From there, choose Update and finish the following steps to get your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max out of restarting loop. This may take a few hours, so please wait patiently. Then, your iPhone XS Max restarts and turns on the lock screen. Method 5, Factory Reset iPhone XS Max. If the update fails to prevent your iPhone XS Max from restarting by itself over and over again, your last resort is to factory reset the phone. Here's what you need to do. Keep your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max connected to the computer and run iTunes or Finder. Then, put your phone into recovery mode. Quickly press then release volume up button, volume down button, and then press the side button and hold it for a while until you see the recovery mode screen. Then, in iTunes or Finder window, choose the Restore option. That will reset all settings, photos, messages, and any other data from your iPhone XS Max to fix the random restarting problems. Keep following the on-screen instructions and trigger the restore process. Once done, your iPhone XS Max will turn on and won't keep restarting on its own over and over randomly. That's all how to fix iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max that keeps restarting itself every 2 to 3 minutes or over and again randomly. Hope this video can help fix the random auto restart issues and stop iPhone XS Max from rebooting constantly. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.